This is PrintHub, and today we're going to paint Dino from the Flintstones. It is made by Red Dead Steve and you can find it on printables.com. This model is one piece, but you can find another version where you can print it by pieces. Let's begin the process. Cleaning 3D print is always a satisfying task. First, we prime the model. I'm getting better at it with every priming session. Then I use purple to cover the whole model. I am still making a mistake here, not doing zenithal highlight beforehand. Then I use black for feet and hands. I use light flash for the face. I chose electric blue for the color. Flat flash for the medallion. At first I wanted to paint colors for the medallion and the letter D separately, but then I understood that it's easier to paint everything with flash color together and then cover it with the letter D, which is black, from above, which will be easier. I used white for the eyes. While painting them, I made several mistakes and then I came back with purple to fix them. Because I didn't do zenithal highlight after priming, I still see purple under the flesh skin, so I have to do another layer. After that, I used black to paint the letter D on the medallion. I also used black to paint the eyes. Now to paint the tongue red, first I need to paint it white. Then I painted the tongue with red. For the final touch, I used black for the nostrils. And at that point, I called this model done. If you stayed until now, thank you. If you liked this video, please leave a like. If you have anything to say, tips or words of encouragement, please comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing.
Plastic dreams in my hands, sculpture gods at my command. Layer by layer building life, smooth the edges, sharpen the knife. Paint my nightmares on the light, brushstrokes whisper in the night. Colors bleed and shapes awake, crafting heroes' hearts that break.